One of the keys to successful fishing is the ability to find bait fish and also to catch bait fish. If you can find the bait fish, usually you can find the predators. And I'm out in 83 meters of water at the moment, and I've just come across a massive patch of bait in about 30 to 50 meters on the Simrad NSS Evo 4, and it's showing me that there's good sign there, but it's no big fish. I can tell it's bait fish because it's all compressed together, so it's like a constant stream coming through. So what I'm going to do is I've got a set of wasabi sabikis here, and I'm going to drop them down on a light rod with about a 2-ounce sinker down to where I think those fish are, and see if I can catch myself some bait fish and hopefully turn those bait fish into some larger fish. So you want to bomb these when you're in the deeper water looking for bait. You want to bomb it down pretty quickly. And you're looking for your line to stop or a bang on your line that tells you that you're getting a bite. There we go, straight away, instantly. And if I didn't have a good sounder, I would have never have seen those fish, and I would never have caught any bait fish. I think I've got more than one here. They're fighting pretty well for bait fish, I tell you. That's just one of the many ways that you can use your marine electronics to help you with your fishing, and here they come. Oh, that's a premium bait fish. That's a big, slimy mackerel. And absolutely everything likes eating those. Big snapper, kingfish, marlin, tuna, everything eats them.